Hello folks, welcome to my channel TechZone and DIYs.
Good morning everybody. So as you know, this is a boxing week, so I bought this RYOBI. This is a table saw and this does not come with a stand. So let's open this guy first and then see. It was on sale, $138 Canadian, so it was pretty cheap, so I bought this one. And I keep collecting the stuff whenever they are on sale. I need it sometimes, I feel a need for this at times, and I see, oh my god, I don't have this one, maybe I'll get one soon. This makes life really easy. Alright, there we go. Okay, so this is a table saw. This is very nice here. So probably we'll have to put it together, but that's not the objective of this video. People can put it together in no time, faster than I can do. But today I'm gonna take this out and see, unbox what's in there. Alright, cool, very nice. So this one is the table saw. This is not very heavy, but it feels sturdy. It's strong, I believe, for the price. And this, I believe, is the saw itself, which I need to test, I believe. So let's see what's inside. All right. This is the guide or wood that you need to cut and be safe. Another attachment, this is angled attachment, you can swivel it in the direction. This is the cover. Very nice. So this one is the cover for this saw. It's a guide to keep you safe. This is the railing to guide your 2x4s or whatever piece of wood you want to cut. This is the wrench. Very good. I did not have such a big wrench. This is another wrench here, so just to put it guide. Alright, so this is done. So now, where is the saw? Okay, saw is underneath here, and I think I don't see any blade here. So that means I might have to, oh there is, yeah, there should be a blade here. So, yeah, there is a blade inside, so you can raise the height of this blade, and obviously you need to put already the stickers. So very nice. So most of this stuff is already packed in there. I have to just attach those things and then I will be done. Okay, great. So just in case if it is not running, I need to return, so I keep all these attachments with me on the side. And yeah, so you can attach, this is to collect the dust. This is very nice. So basically what you have to do, the direction is like this. If you are right-handed, I'm right-handed, so use it this way. This is used to make the blade come up and down. That handle is missing. It's not there in the part. Too bad for RYOBI, but I call Home Depot and then probably they will do something about it. So that I did not like. Missing a part, especially that kind of stuff, it's not really good. Alright, so that completes opening of RYOBI.